you guys need any recommendations on where to visit next, places to eat.
I'll be your captain today. A little information about myself. I've been on and off the river for the past 19 years. I started when I was 17 years old.
Another tall cliff. Now this tall cliff is Romance Cliff. Now Romance Cliff was used by Native Americans for their wedding ceremony. Can you guys hear fine up here? Boat Rock. Now Steamboat Rock got its name from back in the... Now you guys may have noticed that we have entered an area that's a little bit darker, a little bit cooler. Some might even say to the side of Sunset Cliff, illuminating all its colors. But just past Cliff is Signal Point. It was used by Native Americans to send out their